One of my favorite old mining towns to visit in Nevada is Goldfield. As you drive through on Highway 95, you notice two structures that kind of stand out. One is the Goldfield Hotel and the other is the old Goldfield High School. The Goldfield High School was built in 1907 at a cost of about $100,000. The official dedication was on January 31st, 1908, and was celebrated with the raising of the flag and releasing two white doves. At the time, it was the largest and best equipped high school in Nevada. The school finally closed in 1952. It's sad to see this magnificent high school in such decay. The Goldfield Historical Society is actively trying to save it, and I will leave a link if you would like to donate to the cause. I was fortunate to be able to tour the school with the help from a local photographer who will give a tour for a donation. I will leave a link in the description. I was overwhelmed by the staircases and the stained glass and the skylight. You know, the interior has 12 classrooms and an auditorium, 2 offices, 2 bathrooms, 4 storage rooms, an extra-large attic, and a seating capacity of 450. First year's enrollment in the school was 125 students and about 25 faculty members. Some say that it's haunted. I didn't see any ghosts while I was there, but I don't think I'd want to be there at night. Throughout this building, you can see where they are trying to shore up the structure. One can only hope that they can restore this awesome building for generations to come. Goldfield was a boom town in the first decade of the 20th century due to the discovery of gold in 1904. In 1906, about 20,000 people called it home, and the town was the wealthiest and largest in the state. By 1919, the population started to decrease, with the mining beginning to dwindle. You know, I've made my living as a commercial photographer for over 40 years, but about 7 years ago, I made it a personal project to visit and photograph the old mining towns in Nevada. Please hit the subscribe button to see future videos. Thank you.